Homemade caramel sauce. This delicious homemade caramel sauce is sweet, irresistibly buttery, and slightly salty. If you follow the exact instructions and recipe, then this caramel sauce will turn out exactly as expensive store-bought caramel sauce. Unlike other recipes, no candy thermometer required. And the possibilities for serving are endless. Let's learn this delicious caramel sauce. Bismillah. Ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 6 tablespoons butter, cut into pieces, 1/4 teaspoon salt. If you like salted caramel, you can increase the salt amount up to 1/2 teaspoon. 1/4 cup of water, some water and pastry brush for loosen the sugar crystals from edges of cooking pan. This is optional. Add sugar and water to heavy-duty saucepan over medium heat. Avoid using non-stick. Note: if using salted butter, then reduce the salt amount in the recipe. I'm using simmer stove, that's why it's on high heat. My best advice is not to stir the sugar and water and let it melt down completely till turn into liquid and start changing color. At this point, use spatula to mix the liquid for even caramelizations. Note: if you are not expert, then don't swirl the pan, like I'm doing. As soon as liquid turns into golden amber color, turn off the heat. Don't burn the liquid, otherwise your caramel sauce turn bitters. Carefully add cream. Turn on the heat. Stir and add butter. And cook till all ingredients turn into liquid. Cook about 1 or 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and add salt. Mix well. Remove it from the stove and let it cool down. Fill in the clean jar, cover tightly, and store for up to 1 month in the refrigerator. Caramel solidifies in the refrigerator. Reheat in the microwave or on the stove to desired consistency. You can freeze the caramel sauce too. Freeze in an airtight container for up to 3 months. Thaw in the refrigerator or at room temperature, then warm up before using. As you can see, the sauce color and consistency exactly same as Trader Joe's caramel sauce. Enjoy it however you like. Possibilities are endless. Check out my other recipes where I use the caramel sauce. If you have questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comments below, and kindly like, share and subscribe for upcoming recipes. And if you have tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was in the comments. Thanks for watching.